Hi Harley-Davidson fam, Robin here to go over 5 common issues with helmets. How's this helmet fitting?
This helmet's too small. It's giving me a headache.
Okay, so we want it to be good and snug and we want it to fit like a nice baseball cap, but we don't want any squeezing, so we'll go ahead and take this one off and we'll try a different size. Now how's this size feeling for you?
It's super loose.
Super loose? Let's see, give me a shake. Okay, so like I said, we want to keep it good and snug like a baseball cap, so let's go ahead and take this one off and try the next size. How's this one feeling?
It's kind of making my head itch, just like my one did on the road.
Okay, so one thing that you can do to reduce that itch is you can put baking soda in your, or baby powder in your helmet, or you can use, take that interior part out, give it a nice light hand wash. Do not put it in the washer or the dryer, but give it a nice light hand wash, let it air dry, and then pop it back in, and that should help reduce that itch or get rid of that itch for you.
Okay. So my helmet keeps fogging up. How do I battle that?
Couple of different ways. One is we sell an anti-fog spray that we can get you hooked up with, or we have an anti-fog inner shield that puts in that is also a transitional shield so that you can reduce that sunlight coming in as well as keeping that fog reduced for you. Also, opening your vents if you necessary can also help reduce the fog for you.
Okay. So my visor is also very hard to see out of. How do I take care of that?
Okay, warm wet washcloth to clean the bugs off. Just get yourself a washcloth, get it wet with some nice warm water. If it's that bad, you can leave it set on there for a couple of minutes and then come back through and just kind of wipe it off. If it gets too terribly bad, you can use a little bit of Dawn dish soap and some water and then give it another wipe off. But otherwise, nothing that's going to have any harmful drying agents for that plastic piece. So, yep, just a good wipe down. Hi, Harley Davidson fam. Robin here with some tips and tricks with your helmets. So, one thing is you want to make sure you get proper fit. Proper fit is making sure it's good and snug like a baseball cap, but not squeezing too tight that you're getting any kind of pressure points or pain. Maintenance is very simple. Lukewarm water, give it a wipe down, store it inside or somewhere where it's not going to be exposed to extreme temperatures. If you are riding along and you're one of those who gets the itchy head going on, a couple of things contribute to that. One, it could be just all around dirty, but that can be caused by wearing different products in your hair. So what you can do is a couple of things. One is just give it a quick hand wash out through the sink. You can also come in and get one of the beanie caps that can go between you and the helmet to help reduce any of that. Also, some baby powder in there can help with some of that depending on what kind of hairstyle you've got going on. Speaking of hairstyle, when you are wearing your helmet, you want to make sure that if you have a ponytail, you keep it low to the base of the neck. And also, the fit of the helmet is going to depend on how you wear your hair. Are you one that puts extensions in or braids or anything like that? That can change on how the sizing fits on that helmet. So, best thing is just come in, start fitting them depending on what you're wearing, and so we can get you the right fit the first time so you don't have to worry about that.